Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you're new here, my name is Esther Mofrey. So in today's video, I want to show you how to do analysis using 4-hour and how you can better your entry, how you can build your case, how you can be able to beat the market makers, because again 4-hour is used to trap many buyers or sellers. So I want to show you how to have a very good entry on a trade. So this is Euro Audi on 4-hour, and I'll be showing you on a live market. So we want to see what is really happening. So I won't even flip to daily, I won't flip to weekly, I won't even go to monthly, but I just want to analyze 4-hour, then we see if we can have an entry. So this is our chart. The first thing that you need to understand is that you need to know the market structure. So the market structure. So we need to understand what is our market structure. Let me show you. So this is our market structure. You need to have an understanding, what are we dealing with. So the first thing, on 4-hour, you need to know about the market structure. And again, if at all you open your chart and you can see clearly from, I think August, the market has been trending above. So if you come here, you see the market has been trending above, going all this way. And then if you come with the mentality you want to continue to buy, that's where we go wrong. You need to build more case study, because once you come with the mindset that I want to buy this market, already you have failed. But we can try to see what other things that we have, so that we can have confluences if we buy or sell. So we know market structure is an uptrend, and I'll put the first trend line here, and then I'll connect it to here. So anytime you put this trend line and you see they have touched 2 times, what I always do with 4-hour time frame, the market tends to come and attempt to touch the 3rd time. Remember guys, in the market or on the charts, they always work in 3. So this is the first touch, the second touch. We don't know if this market wants to come down here. So having this trend line, it is telling you, yes, the market is an uptrend, but the market can come and it's like a retest. It can retest here. So how do we take advantage of this trade? Or do we wait until the market is here? Then is the time that we are thinking, oh, if it breaks the trend line, we sell. If it gets rejected, we buy. That's another thing that makes you fail in Forex. Having just one way of trading, because if you wait the trend line to break, the market makers know you're waiting for that trend line to break. What they'll do, yes, the market will break, and then it can continue going upward. So now we have our trend line like that. Let me highlight the touches. So that is our first touch, and this is our second touch. So I'm building my case to know, do I really need to buy or sell? At the moment, I don't know what I want to do, but what is coming in place is that the market might drop all the way up to here. So this is what I'm saying, the market might drop up to here. So let's try and see. For me, I love working with patterns. I really love working with patterns, guys, because market structure is not enough. Just knowing it's an uptrend, you will start looking for buys, and maybe the pattern is saying otherwise. So when I was looking for a pattern, this is what I saw, guys. I was looking for a pattern, and I saw around here I have a double bottom. If you can see here, there's a double bottom, very clear double bottom. So if you are using this chart, when the market was around here, you could have used this double bottom to look for buys entry. So every time I get a double bottom, I will mark my neckline. So let's mark my neckline. So you'll start building your case with a pattern. The pattern is what will give you the go ahead. The go ahead if to know this market wants to go down or go up. So this is a double bottom. So we have a double bottom there. So we have a double bottom there. And then, you know, always when you have a double bottom, you always have the half. So this is our half, guys. This is our half. So in this case, if at all our chart was around this place in 4-hour, would have waited the market to break the half so that we can buy up to the neckline. So this is the half, guys. Let me show you. And it's good to make your half color green so that you can know you are dealing with, that is the half zone. So in we normally say, if you have a double bottom and you have a neckline, the minute the market breaks your neckline, it will go this distance. So the market is going this distance. So, and you see now, because of the pattern, I've started to see something playing out. So the market, yes, it's an uptrend, the market structure, and the pattern is suggesting we will be going on an uptrend up to that zone, 1.642. So this is the distance that will go like this. So we'll go this distance, we go this way. The thing that many people don't understand with the double bottom is that the minute you have double bottom and then it breaks the neckline, before it goes to the distance, this distance, you have to measure half. So many people miss out to measure this half. Many people may fail to measure that half. So once you measure the half, if the market start to consolidate on the half, be assured that that market may do a deep retracement back. And a deep retracement, the market might retrace this area all the way to where the double bottom was. So that's what many people don't understand. The minute you have a double bottom, neckline is broken, and then the market does what? The market will go this distance, and then you have a consolidation at half. Be assured that this market will do a deep retracement. Now, when we had our trend line, we had how many touches? 2. This touch, let me show you. This touch, the second touch, that's why I was saying this market has to come to this area, but I didn't know how it will come to this area. Now it is evident enough that because the market is consolidating on this half, the market might do a deep retracement, and then we might know where to come to. So you can identify your block. So this is my small block here. You can identify your small block like that. So the small block, I can put a different color like purple or blue. So this is my order block. So the market might drop all the way, either come back to this half. Let me tell you, anytime you have a double bottom and the half was broken, you can see it never got retested. So there's so much potential this market coming back to 55.95 to retest this half. And then there's the order block and there's the trend line. So this is an area where the market can drop into. So now you know everything, you have put everything into place. Which other confluence that is telling us sellers are more stronger than buyers? It's because of the current resistance, current support. I told you guys of one candle support. So here I have a one candle support. You need to know that every time we have a green candle followed by a red candle, of course, we have a support zone. And what happened is after the candle, after the support was broken, and then we got the retracement, and then we have the price action of this candle is a shooting star. So we have a shooting star here. So even the buyers are not able to push this market higher, because you can start seeing break of structure, and then even the pattern that is being seen here, it's a shooting star. So right at this moment, I don't have a pattern to work with. It's just my theory to know when the double bottom breaks neckline, it reaches half and then it retraces. The only time, guys, the only time I can be assured of this pattern, I can be assured of working with the pattern of this sell is if we might have a head and shoulder pattern. So this is one of the patterns I love this when the head is forming. So this is the head and shoulder pattern. So this can be the shoulder. So this is the shoulder. Let me now try to change, because this is the only pattern that is supporting me. So this is the shoulder, guys. And then I clone that. So this is my other shoulder. So this is the head. So this is my head. I always work with patterns. I don't want to sell without having a clear indication of what I'm doing. I always work with patterns. So this can be my shoulder, this can be my head, and the market now dropping back. You see where the double bottom is, it's where the trend line is, it's where the order block is. So this market can drop to give me to complete the head. So if this market drops like this and then touch there, they can go back to make the shoulder and then come back. So this is the pattern that, guys, I'm seeing on Euro Audi. A shoulder, a head and shoulder pattern. So the entry for this, it's already you get a red candle. You can do WBB, or you can wait for daily candle close. So you can go on daily to see how the market will close. So now we know about this pattern. How do we enter on Euro Audi? How do we enter on Euro Audi? Remember, guys, if I go to daily time frame, already we are selling because of BWA strategy. But how do we sell if at all we are using head and shoulder pattern? You can just put WBB on the red candle. So if you put WBB, you wait today's candle to close so that you can sell Euro Audi. So that's the only way. If the candle closes like that, it will have broken that red candle. So you don't use WBB on 4 hour because sometimes it does not work. But if tomorrow you wake up and this candle has broken the box, you can sell, and maybe the first take profit can be half, and then we target neckline. That is my thoughts. That's how you analyze 4 hour, and then now you get confirmation with daily, because daily of course needs to tell you, they can break here, but daily, by the time the candle is the daily candle is closing, the market is here. It won't be like on daily it has broken. Another pattern we can, you see, we have shoulder, head and shoulder pattern. The other pattern we can have is we can have a double top. So this market the buyers can come, touch here, and then come down. So when they come down, we are waiting, they break the neckline. So this one will be like our neckline. Anytime you want to trade this market, and then you will wait for the market to do what? To break the neckline, and then go down. So in short, I don't like working any pattern, any chart without a pattern. So if 4 hour, they'll give me a double top, better. If they don't and the markets continue to sell, I'll know it's a shoulder, it's a head and shoulder. If at all they come back here, I know it's a double bottom that went half and now it's doing a deep retracement. That is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, bye-bye. Love you.